Om Shanti. 21st February 2021 Avyakt Bab Dada Murli, revised date 6th November 1987. Essence: the way to become a constant server is to do 4 types of service. Om Shanti. Today, the world benefactor, world server father is looking at all his cooperative world server children. To what extent is each child, as well as being a constant, easy yogi, a constant server? In your Brahmin life, the balance of both remembrance and service makes you constantly worthy of receiving blessings from Bab Dada and all the elevated Brahmin souls. It is only at this conference age and in this Brahmin life that you can receive blessings from God and the Brahmin family. This is why in this short life you easily receive all attainments for all time. This confluence age can be called the special age of blessings, and this is why this age is also called the great age. On the basis of every elevated action and every elevated thought, the Father himself constantly continues to give blessings from his heart to every Brahmin child. This Brahmin life is the life in which you grow with the sustenance of blessings from God. With an open heart, the Father, the innocent Lord, is giving you children apron filled with all blessings. However, the basis of receiving all of these blessings is the balance of remembrance and service. If you are a constant yogi, you are also a constant server. Does the importance of service always stay in your intellect? Some children think that only when they get a chance, the means or the time to do service, will they do service. However, just as Bab Dada enables you to experience remembrance constantly and easily, in the same way, service also can be done constantly and easily. So, today, Bab Dada was looking at the chart of service of the server children. Until you become a constant server, you cannot become experienced in receiving blessings all the time. For instance, when you do service according to the time, according to the chance, or according to the program, then as a result of that service, you receive success and blessings from the Father and the family. But that is not for all time. Therefore, because of receiving those blessings, you sometimes experience easy progress in yourself and service. However, at other times, because there isn't the balance of constant remembrance and service, you experience success after having labored at it. Today, Baba is telling you how you can become a constant server and the importance of that service. Throughout the day, you can do many different types of service. In that, the first service is of oneself. That is, always pay attention to yourself in becoming complete and perfect. You have to make yourself pass with honors in all the main subjects of this study. You have to become an embodiment of knowledge, an embodiment of remembrance, and an embodiment of dharana. You have to make yourself complete in everything. Let this service of the self always be in your intellect. This service of the self automatically enables you to serve through your perfect form. However, the method for that is to paying attention and checking. You have to check yourself, not others. The second is world service, which you do in various ways and with various methods, through words and through relationships and connections. You know all of this very well. The third service of the yajna which you do with your body and money. The fourth service is with your mind. Wherever you live, you can serve many souls with your pure feelings, elevated wishes, elevated attitude and elevated vibrations. The way to do this to become a light and might house. From one place, a lighthouse serves far, far away. In the same way, from one place, you can become instruments to serve many. If you have accumulated so many treasures of the powers, you can do this easily. There is no problem about getting physical facilities, the chance or the time for this. You simply need to be full of light and might. Let the mind and intellect always be free from waste thoughts. Let these easily be embodiments of the mantra Man Mana Bhav. Can all these four types of service not make you a constant server? Having all four types of service, you can continue to do any type of service at every moment and you will easily become a constant server. And because of being constantly occupied in doing service, because of remaining constantly busy, you will easily become a conqueror of Maya. Out of all the four types of service, do whatever service you can, at whatever time, but don't deprive yourself of doing service for even a second. You have to be a server for all 24 hours. You are not a yogi or a server for just 8 hours, but a constant server. This is easy, is it not? If nothing else, then service of the self is good. Whatever chance you have, you can do that service at any time. Because of their bodies or because of not having time, some children think that they are unable to do service. However, out of all the four types of service, if you remain busy in any type of service as is appropriate, you accumulate marks in the subjects of service. And these marks will be added to your final result. Just as marks are accumulated for those who serve with words, in the same way, service of the yajna, service of the self and service with the mind also have just as much importance and you will accumulate just as much from any of those. There is the same amount of marks for every types of service. However, those who do all four types of service accumulate that many marks. Those who only do one or two types of service accumulate marks accordingly. Even then, if you are unable to do all four types of service, but are only able to do two types of service, then you can also be a constant server, and because of being constant, your marks increase. This is why Brahmin life means to be a constant server and an easy yogi. Just as you pay attention to having constant remembrance and ensuring that the link of remembrance is constantly forced, in the same way, let the link of service too remain constantly forced. You experience different stages in remembrance. Sometimes the seed stage, sometimes the angelic form, sometimes churning, sometimes a heart-to-heart conversation, and although you have different stages, you count that as constant remembrance in the subject of remembrance. In the same way, there are these different forms of service, for a life without doing service is not a life. Let there be remembrance in every breath and service in every breath. This is called balance. Only then will you constantly continue to experience receiving blessing at every moment, and the sound that will constantly and naturally emerge from your heart is that you are being sustained with blessings. You fly with blessings with the experience of the flying stage. You will become free from laboring and battling. You will become free from the questions what, why and how, and always be happy. You will constantly continue to experience success as your birthright. I don't know what will happen. I don't know whether there will be success or not. I don't know if I will be able to continue in the future or not. Only when these thoughts of I don't know are transformed will you experience the stage of a master Trikaladarshi. You will constantly have the faith and intoxication that victory is already guaranteed. These are the signs of blessings. Do you understand? In Brahmin life in this great age, if you have to labor after you have claimed a right to Bab Dada, if you constantly spend your life in a stage of battling, Bab Dada cannot bear to see a life labor in you children. This is why you must become constant yogis and constant servers. Do you understand? Acha. The hopes of the older children have been fulfilled, have they not? Vulgent to the serviceable children who did the service of providing water and gave their cooperation day and night to fulfill the hopes of many children. You became conquerors of sleep and also conquerors of matter. So give thanks to all the servers of Madhuban. Whether they made the plants, brought the water, received others comfortably, provided comfortable accommodation, had the meals ready on time, to whoever were instruments for all the different types of service. Bab Dada is giving thanks anyway. The world is crying out for water and the father's children are crying out their tasks so easily. Bab Dada continues to see the service of all the serviceable children. The residents of Madhuban have become instruments and are enabling you to receive a chance so comfortably. You too have become cooperative, have you not? Just as those people have become cooperative and you are receiving the fruit of that in the same way. If all of you always continue to move along in the same way, according to the time in every task, many other Brahmins will continue to receive the fruit of your cooperation. Bab Dada was smiling. Rivers of milk will flow in the golden age, but at least the water at the confluence age has become like ghee, its value. Rivers of ghee are flowing through the taps. Water has become like ghee, and so it has become invaluable, has it not? This way, many will be given a chance. Nevertheless, there is such a big difference between the world and you Brahmins. All of you have a lot more comfort than those in many other places, and you are getting this practice. Therefore, continue to increase the practice of being one who understands the significance of all secrets and remain happy in every situation. Acha. To all the constantly yogi, constantly serving, elevated soul, to those who are always Trikaladarshi and who experience the right to success, to the elevated, constantly happy and contented souls, to the children who experience blessing at every second, love, remembrance and namaste from Bab Dada, the bestower of fortune and the bestower of blessing. Spiritual children in return to the spiritual father says, good morning, namaste, namaste, namaste. To Dadiji, you had the thought that everyone received the fruit of that elevated thought. You are receiving so many garlands of blessings. Along with the praise of the Father, people also sing praise of those who become instruments. This is why the children are also worshipped with the Father. The Father is not worshipped alone. Everyone is receiving so much happiness. These garlands of blessing give you the right to receive garlands on the path of devotion. Avyakt Bab Dada meeting groups. All of you elevated soul quench everyone's thirst, do you not? that is physical water, whereas you have the nectar of knowledge. Water quenches your thirst temporarily and makes you a satisfied soul. So, you have become instruments to satisfy all souls with nectar, have you not? Do you always have this enthusiasm? Because to quench someone's thirst is a great charity. Those who quench the thirst of thirsty souls are said to be charitable souls. You, too, are the ones who become greatly charitable souls and quench everyone's thirst. People get desperate when they are thirsty. If they didn't receive water, they would get very desperate, would they not? In the same way, because of not receiving the nectar of knowledge, souls are crying out in the sorrow and peacelessness. So, you are charitable souls who give them the nectar of knowledge and quench their thirst. So, you are accumulating in your account of charity for many births, are you not? If one birth, you are accumulating in your account for many births, are you not? In one birth, you accumulate in your account for many births. So, you have accumulated this much, have you not? You have become so full of all treasures that you are able to distribute to others. You have accumulated for yourself and have also become bestowers who give to others. So always check, was I a charitable soul throughout the day, and did I perform acts of charity, or did I simply eat, drink and enjoy myself? Those who accumulate are said to be sensible, whereas those who earn and then spend it are not said to be sensible. Just as you make time to eat your meals because you know that that is essential, in the same way, it is essential to carry out this act of charity. So, you are always a charitable soul, not just sometimes. It is not that you would do this if you had the chance. You have to take the chance. It is not that you don't have time, but you have to make time. Only then will you be able to accumulate. At this time, you can draw the line of your fortune as long as you want, because the Father is the bestower of fortune and the bestower of blessings. The Father has given His children the pen of elevated knowledge. With this pen, you can draw your line as long as you want. Acha. All of you are Raj Rishis, are you not? Raj means those who have a right, and Rishi means a tapasvi. The power of tapasya is the means by which you can transform easily. With love for God, you can make yourself and the world free from obstacles for all time. To be free from obstacles and to make others free from obstacles, you do this service, do you not? You are those who liberate all souls from all types of obstacles. You are the ones who claim from the Father the blessings of liberation in life, and you give it to others, are you not? Free from obstacles means liberated in life. Third, when a child has courage, the Father helps. When you children have courage, you always receive multi-million-fold help from Father. The burden is on the Father. But be a trustee and constantly continue to move forward with remembrance of the Father. Remembrance of the Father is the canopy of protection. Thus, the account of the past are like a crucifix, but with the Father's help, they become like a thorn. Adverse situation will definitely come, because everything has to be settled here. However, the Father's help makes everything into a thorn. It makes big things small, because the big Father is with you. Have constant faith and you will continue to move forward. Be a trustee at every step. A trustee means everything is yours, and all consciousness of mind finishes. A householder means mine. When you say yours, even a big situation becomes a small, whereas when it is mine, even a small thing becomes big. The consciousness of yours makes you light, and the consciousness of mine makes you heavy. So whenever you experience yourself to be heavy, check that there isn't any consciousness of mine. Change mine into yours and you will become light that every moment, and all your burdens will finish in a second. Blessing. May you be an image that grants blessings and is especially loved by everyone because of your speciality of contentment and your greatness. May you be an image that grants blessings and is especially loved by everyone because of your speciality of contentment and your greatness. Only those who always remain content with themselves and with others can become especially loved deities and part of the special 8 deities. Call it the biggest virtue of all, a donation, a speciality or greatness, that is contentment. Only contented souls are loved by God, loved by people, and loved by themselves. Such contented souls are well known as souls who grant blessings. Now in the final moments, even more than through the form of a great donor, more service will take place through the form of one who grants blessings. Slogan. A victorious jewel is one who constantly has a tilak of victory sparkling on his forehead. A victorious jewel is one who constantly has a tilak of victory sparkling on his forehead. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba. Thank you.